Hello, my loves. So this is going to be a beautiful little movement practice. So simply get your mat, or not if you want to practice on the floor, and find yourself in a child's pose. For this, I invite you to have your knees closer together, sit bones down to your heels, and then simply release down towards earth. Allowing your neck to fully soften as you release the crown down towards the ground. See where your arms are landing, outstretched in front of you, out to your side. Anchoring in this moment with a deepened exhale. Two more breaths like this. Maybe there's an exhale through the mouth or sounding. And if you have your arms to your side, stretch them out, up overhead, creating a long line from your sit bones up to your fingertips. Stretching the sit bones to the back as you stretch your arms up and over your head. Really come onto those fingertips, tippy-tippy, like creating little cupcakes with those hands. Breathing from the sit bones up over your whole back body to crown, hands, fingertips and beyond. Two more breaths like this, really opening up, flaring up. As if from your core you're shining up through your whole back body space. That inhalation, no forcing, simply allowing even more spaciousness. And the exhale, a sweet melting down to the earth. From here, allow yourself to roll up vertebra by vertebra. Head heavy, arms heavy. As you slowly unfurl, shoulders roll up and back and down. Head comes last. Softening with that exhale into the seat of yours, releasing any tension. With that inhale, inviting in fresh new prana, life force, chi, riding on that breath. Twice more arriving here, this beautiful channel held by earth, unfurling up to the infinite heaven, the sky, the beyond. Simply receiving yourself in your seat, held by the earth and your spine, melting into this moment. And then finding your hands in front of your chest in whichever way they want to meet, allowing your body to guide you. Center of your chest, energetic heart, finding a moment to anchor here. What is alive in the space in this moment? Is there anything that you can plant here right now? A little seed of life, sankalpa, a seed of intention, into this inner space. Beyond your touch, really feeling it, anchor being planted deep within your being. Trusting whatever arises. Being generous here and truthful. Nourishing the seed with one breath, deep in through the nose, out through the mouth. So softly opening those palms up towards the sky, long line from earth to sky, looking up. Exhale, swan dive with your upper body melting down towards earth, fingers in front of you. Inhale, vertebra by vertebra, coming up into a rounded spine. Head comes last, softening the neck. And exhale, tucking the toes and gliding back into an active child's pose, really magnetizing the fingers towards the body, active back. Inhale, vertebra by vertebra. And exhale, active child's pose, activating from sit bones, lower back, mid back, shoulders, gaze looks forward. Once more like this, inhaling. Lifting up, whole back body rounded, neck is soft. Exhale, melting back again, heart is shining towards the center of your mat. Next inhalation, vertebra by vertebra, you're raising up. Exhale, melting down, knees, chest, chin, arms close to your body, pressing top of feet into the mat, anchoring down on your heart. And here really activate your belly button in towards your spine. Feeling this activation as we've done in the active child's pose. Whole back body lifting, whole front body melting. One more breath here. And then ripple forward, inhalation into cobra. Exhale, glide it back, active child's pose. Twice more in your breath rhythm, the inhalation ripples you up. Exhale, knees, chest, chin, melting down, elbows close to the body, gaze forward. Inhale, ripple into your cobra, lifting those palms up. Exhale, floating it back. Once more, your breath is guiding you. Inhaling, vertebra by vertebra, rounded 4-point pose. Exhaling, plant it back into your first down dog here. Leave the feet as they are. Often we have the tendency to bring them closer to our bodies. Heels slightly lifted. Fingertips are active, pressing away from your feet. And slightly in towards each other, micro-bending in those arms, micro-bending in those knees. Creating a long line of energy. Fingertips to up the sitting bones. Whole back stretched open, wide, channel opening. Your breath is deepening and softening. If there is any residue, allowing a cleansing breath. Softening the neck, the jaw. And from here, lifting up those heels, ripple forward into a plank, vertebra by vertebra, sucking the whole front body to the back body. Exhale, bending the knees a little bit more and then slowly arching it back as if your bum is leading as it does. Sounds funky. Inhaling back into rounded high plank. Soft neck, soft face. Micro-bending in the arms, stay as you slowly glide it back, arched back. Down dog, once more. From here, coming into a neutral down dog, heels slightly lifted. Just receiving the ripples, a washing from within. And now spreading yourself out, freshly washed sheets. Looking forward in between your hands. And from here, taking a lot of little tippy toes. Feet meeting the hands, hip width apart, inhaling, halfway lift, micro bending in those legs. And exhale, forward fold, release your whole upper body down. You can bend those knees generously, allowing everything to hang comfortably, dropping heavy down to the earth. Maybe there is more stillness, maybe there's a little bit more movement. Maybe there is a cleansing breath, a sound, a yawn. Arriving here, unfurling with every exhale. Lengthening that spine down to the neck, releasing any holding. And at the same time, getting fresh blood from our hearts to our heads, rejuvenating, energizing. Saying no, no with your neck. And as you do so, what are you saying no to? And saying yes. And as you nod yes, what are you saying yes to? Beautiful. You deserve it all, soft and slowly, pendling out. If there's any residue, allow a cleansing breath deep in through the nose and with any sound out through the mouth. And from here, we're going to roll up, but on the sound of an delicious And when you don't have a breath, you hold wherever you are in the rolling up, everything still heavy hanging down to earth, the neck, the shoulders, the arms. And then you continue until slowest motion you find your way up. Shoulders roll up and back and down. Palms are opening to the front of mat, gesture of receiving. Head comes last. Planting all the toes once up to plant them down. Really anchoring big toe, pinky, inner arch and outer arch of your foot, micro bend in those legs. Strong channel from the earth as you press down, energy rebounds back up. Filling your whole being, central channel up over spine, neck as an elongation of that spine, over your beautiful face and beyond the crown up to the sky. Greeting this new moment, inhale, reach those arms up. Look up. Exhale, swan dive, straight back, heart is leading, melt down, forward fold, beautiful. Inhale into your halfway lift. And exhale, planting the palms, step or jump it back into a plank. Staying here, micro bending in those arms, really pressing your back body out towards earth, so in between the shoulder blades. And exhale, knees, chest, chin, move it down. Top of feet planted into the earth. Inhale up into cobra. And exhale, active child's pose, beautiful. Inhale, vertebra by vertebra, roll yourself up. And exhale, downward facing dog. 3 times spinal wave, inhaling, moving up into rounded high plank. Exhale, float it back. Micro movements. Inhaling vertebra by vertebra, slow down where you want to speed up. Exhale, melt it back. Bum is leading the way. One last time, your breath is guiding you. From here, inhale, lifting the right leg up from the inner thigh. All toes are pointing down towards the earth. Exhale, bring your knee to your chest, round your spine. Inhale, bring it up three-legged. And exhale, bring it to the outside of your right arm. Inhale, bring it up three-legged dog. And exhale, crossing over to that left arm. Inhaling, finding length from the fingertips to the sole of foot. Exhale, round your spine, look to center. At the no breath, right foot in between your hands. Releasing the left knee down, top of foot down. Inhaling as you root down. Lifting up, arms are reaching up, look up. Exhaling, anchoring down. Finding 3 more deep, long breaths. Activating your feet towards each other as if you're sucking energy from earth up. And out over your central channel, over all of your limbs, out through your hands, your face. Inhaling this fresh new energy. Exhaling, softening in the opening. Inhaling back to center. Exhaling, tucking the left toes and gliding it back. Micro bend in that front right leg is staying, and you're bowing forward with your head. Imagine you're magnetizing your heart towards the front of mat, towards this right foot. So rather than thinking down, think forward. Long, long, long spine, feet still active towards each other. Breathing into all those beautiful sensations, spaces of opening. Inhaling for more space. Exhaling for more softening, release. Once more. Beautiful. And slowly inhale to the front. And tippy-toe your right foot a little bit to the outside edge. A little bit further to the right, outside edge of your mat. And the toes pointing around 2 o'clock. From here, bringing both of your arms to the inside, onto the mat underneath your shoulders. Breathing into a beautiful, sweet opening. You can either stay here on your hands. If you feel it spacious enough in this moment and your breath still flows effortlessly and fully, coming down to forearms. And if you feel that this is very spacious, you can always play around and stretch those arms out in front of you, out to the side, or even lift them up. Nothing better or worse. Taking 3 more deep breaths, softening the gaze, maybe turning it fully inward. Facing that spot, Ajna Mudra, in between your eyebrows. You're so slowly coming up onto your palms if you're not there yet. Really pressing yourself out from the earth, pressing into her inches, pressing back, lifting this right leg up. Throwing here 3 breaths. And you're not resting on your arm, it's simply next to you. 1 more breath, fully and deeply. And then glide it back. Right foot meets the left hip width apart, softening your neck, your face. And then gently bend your knees, look to the front, step or jump to the front of your mat. Legs hip width apart, inhale, ripple into halfway, lift heart parallel to the mat. Exhale, fold forward, let it go. Inhaling root to rise, swan dive, reverse it all the way up. Hands are reaching up, gaze is up. And exhale, samastitihi. Opening up, Tadasana. Receiving yourself here anew, all that is alive. The new sensations and the wobbles. The new strength and stability. Taking one more breath. And then your next inhalation, root to rise, come all the way up, look up. Exhale, swan dive, melting this heart down. Inhaling into your halfway lift, straight back, straight neck. Exhale, planting palm, step or jump it back, staying here. Beautiful, in your high plank, inhale, in your strength. Exhale, knees, chest, chin, melt it down. Inhale into your cobra, shining your heart, collarbones wide, soft face. Exhale, melt it back, active child's pose. From here, inhaling, rippling, 4-point pose. And back, downward facing dog, 3 times, those beautiful waves. Inhaling, your breath rhythm guides you. Can you slow down even a bit more, following the sweetest, softest breath? From here, inhale and lift the left leg up from the inner thigh. Exhale, knee to nose touch. Inhale, melt it up. And exhale, touching the left tricep. Inhale, slow motion, bring it back up, strong long line. And exhale, cross it over, right side, gaze follows, foot up. Inhale, press it back. Exhale, knee to nose, exhale on the no breath, bringing this left foot in between your hands. From here, releasing back knee, top of foot, and then that inhalation, once rooted, brings you all the way up. Exhale, grounding down, activating both feet towards each other. That energy of lifting up and in, up and in. Over those legs, to your pelvis, to your solar plexus, your heart, beyond, to your throat and face, and up those arms beyond the fingertips. Softening into the expression with the exhale. Opening new spaciousness, prana, riding into every cell of your being with that inhale. One more breath. Inhaling back to center. Exhaling, tucking the right toes under and gliding it back, micro bend front leg. Thinking length, inhaling, exhaling, allowing to melt down a little more. With every breath, a new expression of you, of this pose. Never static, never stuck, always a movement. Always morphing. One more deep breath here. Ever so smoothly gliding it forward, bringing the left leg out, pointing out on 10 o'clock. And from here, finding your expression, honoring that the sides might feel different. Really breathing into all the sensations. Finding that expression, asana, in alignment where your breath is full and deep. Your invitation to soften the gaze, turn it fully inward, looking to the space in between the eyebrows. Softening with every breath out. And one last breath here. Coming onto the palms if you're not there. And then really press into earth, puff up your chest, and bring the left leg to the outside of your left arm. Gently touching, not holding onto the arm. 2 more breaths, amazing. Breathing into your strengths, into the lightness that you can detect maybe in the breath. 1 more breath. And then exhale, pressing it back. Downward facing dog, beautiful. From here right away, 3 times into the wave. Inhale, ripple forward. Exhale, glide back, active back body pulls you back. Inhale, activating the front body into the whole back body as the back body is spreading open. And exhale, activating the whole back body for that heart to melt. One last time. And as you ripple forward, stay here, finding your plank. Exhale, lower it all the way down. Hover before you fully release. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Releasing your beautiful body down to the earth. Spreading those legs a little further apart. How does it feel to melt the belly and the heart, the face down towards the earth? Can be on one side of your beautiful face and simply rest, or having your hands underneath and resting the shin or the forehead onto your hands. Beautiful. From here, bringing your feet a little closer again, around hip width apart. Activating the tops of your feet into the earth as your kneecaps automatically lift, pressing the pelvis in towards the mat. Activating the belly button into the spine, and as your whole legs are active, pressing into earth, allow yourself with that next inhale to ripple up from the back body, lifting up that front body. With that inhale, finding a bit more length. With that exhale, this time press your feet up. Inhaling into the heart, exhaling, pressing the earth away through the soles of your feet, beyond the edges of your skin. Inhale, rise up a little higher. And exhale, lower it down. Coming onto the other side of your face, or resting the forehead onto the hands. And if there's any residue, allowing a cleansing breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. This time, same way, activating top of feet into mat, pelvic in towards the mat, the ground. And then the whole back body lifts the whole front body, lifting up those arms, spreading them to the back, lifting up those legs. Yes, beautiful. Neck as an elongation of your spine, lifting the legs higher, lifting the back body higher. This time bend your knees, same time, same way. And see if you can grab the outside edges of your legs. Doesn't have to, you can simply hover off here, that is perfect. Even more engaged. If you can grab them, grab them. Same time, same way, left and right, right and left. And from here, pressing the feet into hands and hands into feet. Wherever you are, this is perfect. If you're not bound, it's amazing, it's even more active. Really working with your muscles here as the breath is guiding you, pressing into the hands. And as the shoulders melt together, soften the neck, soften the heart. Deep, long breaths. One more breath in, finding space, length. And exhaling, slowly releasing down. Legs wide apart. And swaying gently right to left, softening that lower back. Beautiful. From here, opening your wings to the side, arms stretched out to the side, lifting your right leg up, soul is kissing the heavens, lifting the right leg up and then furling it over to the left. So you're stepping behind that left leg of yours and you're breathing into the left chest. Finding that spot where you can breathe fully and deeply, sweetly and softly. Play around here with where your back leg is planted, that right leg. And really stretch those fingertips of the left arm away from you. You can assist yourself with that right arm, bringing it closer so you can roll a little bit further on and over that left arm. Soft face, soft jaw. One more breath. Inhaling here. Exhaling, coming back to center. Slow motion, taking one breath to arrive. I like to rest on my forehead, on that spot between my eyebrows. Then bringing the left sole of foot up to the sky, lifting the whole left leg and then swinging it over behind that right planted leg. Same here, finding that sweet spot where you can breathe effortlessly. You can always adjust with the left arm coming a little closer towards you and gently pressing you a little more into that twist. Breathing into the sensations and staying where you can breathe fully and deeply. Allowing yourself one more deep breath here. And exhale, coming back to center. Very easy, simply roll on your back body. Finding a way to lay down. Bringing your legs close to your body and create a beautiful little bow. Giving yourself a hug. Bringing the forehead up towards the knees. Can you make this hug even more lovingly? Feeling your own touch, the quality of this hold, of this cradle. Breathing once more fully in, whole back body, breathed. Inhaling here. And exhale, spread yourself out into your Shavasana. If you usually take a very short, tight one, allow yourself a little bit more space. Thinking starfish floating in the ocean. Taking one more deep breath in. Hold, sip in a little bit more air. Softening everything that there is to soften. Then exhale, release, let it go, melting your whole body into the embrace of earth. Starfish floating in the ocean, nothing to do but being held. If you need a moment longer to simply rest and allow everything to integrate even more deeply, allow yourself the space. Otherwise, deepen your breath. Bring first movement to your fingertips and into your toes. Finding gentle movement of your wrists and your ankles. Taking the arms overhead and taking a big, big breath in, stretching from feet to fingers all the way. And exhale, let it go. Moving on to your favorite side, cradling onto your favorite side of this moment. That space of being born and being born again anew. As you're cleansed, you're rejuvenated, fresh. Breathing into all that sweet, warm sensations, expansive and truthful. So slowly finding your palms down to meet the earth. As you press into her embrace, she's pressing back. Soft inner gaze as you come up to a seat, finding yourself anew, softening all that there is to soften into her embrace. Spine gracefully unfurling. Finding your palms to meet in whichever way feels right in this moment in front of your heart space. Maybe there's a word of honoring, a word of gratitude within. Gifting yourself an inner smile, maybe an outer. And gratitude for this practice and for all those who are keeping it alive and have kept it alive for millennia. Bowing to this moment, to the gift of life, to this body, the vitality. Thank you.